Well, good morning. I'm in the garage and I'm on my way to work. Before I go to work, I want to show you something. I think you find it very interesting. May papakita ko sa inyo. Well, there it is. It's a shoe rack from wall to wall. Lalagyan ng mga sapatos. This is my wife's shoe collections. So let me show you. Let's get a little closer. I'll show you. And they're all in containers. Sa lalagyan rin siya. They have all numbered in each container. And over here, this side, it's all the boots. See that? And this side is mine. Oh my God. We got a lot. It's kidding. I have some in the bottom. Yeah, but this is all my wife's collection, and guess what? This is what you'll find very, very interesting. Is the binder, Myra's shoe rack system. It's color coded and numbered. This is how you'll find the shoes, and inside this binder is pictures. See, I'll show you. See, we're gonna open it up. See that? You got shoes. Open it up a little bit. See? So if you're gonna go number 3 is basically it's in the bottom here. There's some my wife's arm shoes. Okay, she just puts it in the corner. There's number 3 right there. Easy to find. So if you want to go find some boots, there it is. Put some boots. There it is. Okay. I even got like slippers. And then you got your boots. It says 146, 147. So you go on this side here. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yun. 146, 147. So yan. Lobang boots. It's a pretty good system, right? This is called shoe control system. Right? Kasi dati di niya nahahanap yung mga sapatos niya. Kaya yan, dumadagdag. But anyway, this is how she did it because she could never find her shoes before. Now she can easily with this shoe control system. Have you ever seen anything like this? Oh, this is one of a kind, right? It's pretty amazing, incredible. Anyway, there it is. It's definitely good.